Okay, lo question 3 lo nawuvela la ku-November 2015 mathematics paper 1. Our question 3, it's all about ama-number patterns, your linear pattern. Again, now 3.2 sakhuluma nge-linear pattern, ku 3.3 kube ne-quadratic pattern. In the description box uzothola ama-links for other recordings engiwayenzile for the question paper. Now, question 3, 3.1, given the linear pattern 5 minus 2 minus 9 dot 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 all the way up to minus 289. Thanks for watching, guys. Now lana ke mawuthathu astudishe le pattern abasiphe yona. So term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, we don't know ukuthi minus 281 term number 1. So this is our end term. We don't know asazi ukuthi minus 289 term number 1. Now 3.1.1, write down the constant first difference. So sinale pattern le, right? The common difference, I mean the common first difference ithola njani, the constant or common first difference ibiza njalo, common or constant first difference. So the common difference sithola so ke sithi T2 term number 2 ngimsubtracta no term number 1. What is minus 2 subtract 5? It's negative 7. Negative 9 minus negative 2, it's negative 7 again. So the common first difference, it's negative 7, negative 7. So answer to negative 7. 3.1.2, write down the value of T4. So this is T1, T2, T3, T1, 2, 3, term number 4. Simthola njani? Ngokuthatha the constant first difference ede no minus 9 usinikeza T number 4. Why ngisho njalo? Ngoba nawuthi minus 5 umhlanganisa ne common first difference uthola negative 2. Nawuthi negative 2 hlanganisa no minus 7 uthola minus 9. So the T4 nayo so ithola njalo. So minus 9 mhlanganisa no negative 7. What is our answer again? Negative 9 plus negative 7, it's negative 16. So T4 is negative 16. 3.1.3, calculate the number of terms in the pattern. Now if besazi ukuthi minus 289 term number 1 bese vele sibhale answer phansi, but la bathi calculate. In other words, we want to find out ukuthi minus 289 term number 1 in this given pattern. So we want to calculate the position for term minus 289 in the pattern. So swenzani? So sebenzisa this formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. This is the n term for iloganje for any linear pattern. So kwamele senzeni sithole A, sithole no D, right? And then thina so calculate ubani n, since Tn nginayo ubani negative 289. So the A value is the first term of 5. The constant difference or common first difference is negative 7. So into siyenza ke manje we just substitute again. So Tn is minus 289. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi Tn wethu term number 1. And then A u5 and then D u negative 7. Then we multiply lama brackets sithola negative 7n plus 7. Negative 289 equal to lo 5 nalo 7 la. So 5 nalo 7 ama like term, so basinikeza 12, and then ngit isolate the 7n yofika ngale aba positive 7n, and then this value nangi transpose la to the right negative 289 nangimletha ngapha ngaka right nangizomletha ngapha ngaka right chaza ukuthi lo 12 uyohlangana uyo addana nobani 289 ngoba nangimtransposer yofika ngalabo bani positive 289 and 12 plus 289 kunginikeza 301. Dividing both sides by 7 sithola bani ke asibona. So 301 divided by 7 is equal to 43. So n is equal to 43 in this case. 3.2. A linear pattern has a difference of 3 between consecutive terms. And its 20th term is equal to 64. That is T20 is equal to 64. Why ngisekela lo minus 7? I'm trying to show ukuthi kahle kahle lo 3 in question lona it's actually a constant first difference. It's a constant first difference ngoba a constant first difference uyithola by subtracting ama consecutive terms. So 3.2.1 determine the value of T22. Now ipattern yethu that basipu T20, T1, T2, T3, 4, 5 all the way up to T19 abasipanga wona lawo materm. They only gave us one, T20. Basipha u-T20 basipha nani ne constant first difference or a common first difference. So nanyo subtractor yaqhubeka ipattern yethu uno T21 somewhere la, right? And then I know that nangothi T21 minus T20 ngithola ubani 3. The same thing happens nangithi T20 minus T19 ngithola ubani u3 again, because of partially with the difference of 3 between consecutive terms. There's a common difference of 3. Now mina ngifuna T22 just like kule example yalapha phezulu, just like the above question 3.1.1. remember the time is calculated to T4 senzeni is then negative 7 plus 9 wasinikeza T4. So now last ones are the same thing in order to calculate to T4. So T3 plus 64, that's 67 with T21 lo. Nang eta u3 again yonginikeza 20 T22. So that is 70. So our answer la T22 is equal to 70. So now I answer it again. Now T22 is equal to 70. 3.2.2. Which term in the pattern will be equal to 3 times T5 minus 2? Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi yiphi term equal to this value. So the question lena ngasho ngithi iyafana na this question. Exactly the same. But lana we need to find the value for this. And then after finding the value for this, ngizothola ini the n value. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi n value for this expression or this value is equal to what? Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi term number bani equal to this value. So into esoyenza ukuqala nayo sizothi Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Ngizofuna u-T5 iqala. Ngifuna ukubhala u-T5 or express u-T5 in terms of a or d. In fact, yeah, if ever u-a benginayo or u-T1 benginayo, i-life beyizoba lula kanjalo. So lana I want to express u-T5 in terms of a. Ngizothi ke manje T5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 times 3, which is the common difference. 5 minus 1 or 4 times 3, that's 12. So T5 is equal to a plus 12. Now T5 sengimi express in terms of a. Asize lana ke manje. Sesiya substitute kule expression 3 times T5 minus 2. La kuno T5 khona ngifaka a plus 12. I simplify le bracket ke. Ngithola out 3a plus 36 minus 2. 36 minus 2 are like terms, it's 34. So it's 3a plus 34. Asiqhubeke nayo ke. But check ayisho yayibona ilo kanje i-n term yethu, the end term la the n term ithini, I need a as well as ubani as well as d. If nginalawo ma values way2, I can do whatever I want ngale, or I can do whatever I want or answer any question ebazongipha yona regarding leyo linear pattern. So uding naye, but the problem la ubani is finding a, ngoba ngifuna the value for this, not in terms of a but the actual value. So but muni warini ngoba a we can calculate using T20 or T22 or even T20 now I can also use, but mina ngizosebenzisa T22. Now T22 is equal to a plus 22 minus 1 times 3 times 3. Remember T22 is equal to 70 angisho, and then bheka 22 minus 1 is what? 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 times 3, 2, 4, 6, 63. So it's a plus 63, right? And then I calculate to a by transposing with 63 to the left. 70 minus 63 is equal to 7. So a1 is equal to bani is equal to 7. Now I can calculate the value. Let us substitute to a way to this expression. So it's 3 times 7 plus 34. 3 times 7 plus 34 is equal to 55. So answer it is equal to 55 now. Okay again. Okay. Lo 55 utikiti, there is a term la kule pattern yethu. This pattern, there is actually a term which is 55. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi leyo term leyo term number bani in the sequence. Nazo ke bheka ke manje, nazo ke tn equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Tn ubani 55, and then substitute to a which is 7, and then substitute out d which is 3. Then in your calculator the value for n. Esengiqhubeka nayo ke manje, simplify the bracket, ngithola out 3n minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4, so 55 is equal to 4 plus 3n, and then in transposal of 4 ngithola out 51. Then city 51 divided by 3 inginikeza the value for n. So my n is equal to 17. So the n is equal to 17. Now I answer it. The 17 term should go to 55 akekho la somewhere la 55 T17. This 55 simthole kuphi? From here. Voila. Niyayibona bangani bami mara. Niyayibona? Vuma lapha ku question ku comment section nangabe uyayibona mngani nami. Nangabe uyiboni ungibuza question ngizokuphendula as soon as possible. 3.3, but first I think erase la. Alright, question 3.3 is in a quadratic pattern 5, 12, 29, 56. 3.3.1. Write down the next two terms of the pattern. Now pattern here together. Right? Okay. Uthola your first difference. 12 minus 5. What is 12 minus 5? That's 7. 29 minus 12. 17. 57 minus 29. 27. So it's 7. 17. 27. Then sitting the second common difference again, which is 17 minus 7 is 10. So it's 10. Now the next two terms nangaba unayo n term yakho. This is how you find the next two terms. We create this branch nyana le, this branch the diagram, and then uthola the next two terms, just like la kulo kanje ku 3.1.1. is it no 3.1.2. this question. I created something like a branch nyana, then I add accordingly. So siyenza the caveman style, if you may. Now bheka ke manje u12 umthola kanjani ke yena? The 12 uyithola kanjani ke yona? Alright, khohlwa ngalo 12, bheka la. Term 1, 2, 3, term 4, right? The next two terms with term number 5 or term number 6. So in order to find the term number term number 5 UT, so 56 plus 27, 56 plus 27 plus 10 equal to 93. So lana it's 93 T5. Uyabuya ke futhi uthi expanda lama branches wakho uthi 93 minus 56, this is equal to 37, and then so as we okay, there's a common difference. In order to find T6 you need 10 37 93 and get T6, so it's 93 plus 37 plus 10 equal to 140. I change in any quadratic pattern. If ever we find out the next two terms, next three terms without the end term, this is what you do, right? So the next two terms 93, no 140, no 140. Now 3.2.2, 3.3.2, prove that the first differences in this pattern will always be odd. Mar, that's the question ya bora man. Back 7, 17, 27, 37. It's obvious good lento level. It's odd numbers, right? It's odd numbers. Prove that the first differences in this pattern will always be odd. Right? As you imagine in Borana figure la. But the prove amarana na back and back 7 9 ama odd numbers. What more do you want? Back manje. Okay, so tata this the pattern yama first differences which is 7 17 27 37. Then sizala city tn equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, which in other words is for the n term for the first differences, right? We only focus like 7 17 27 37. A 7, n minus 1, d with 10. Let's solve. Let us simplify. So it's 7 plus 10 n minus 10. So lana it's 10n equal to tn equal to 7. Okay, wait. So 10n 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, right? So this thing is doing a little bit of imagination yana, so right, a little bit of imagination yana. We're going to manipulate the equation. This is what tn is equal to tn minus, it's not t, okay, 2 minus 1. What is minus 2 subtract 1? Negative 3. So in other words, in total 3 I'm split into minus 2 and minus 1. Why am I splitting? Why you split lamalo kanje la? Okay, ngahlahle ngifuna uku demonstrate a point la. Demonstrate a point. Nangabe uthatha an even number, we multiply by any number, uzothola what? Uzothola a even number. Is it? 10 times 2, 20, even number. 10 times 5, it's 50, it's an even number. So now minus on 2, which is an even number, ngiyothola a even number again. So I'm trying to have even numbers under the same bracket, or I'm trying to isolate the even number, right? So this bracket is this is even, right? So nangabe ngithatha away 1 from the even number, ngisala nani ne odd. Taking 1 from this even, ngiyothola a odd number. So it means that tn unjani uyi-odd number. Odd number. I don't understand why. Now t 17, 27, it's obvious really. Now I'm odd numbers. But anyway, I think this calculation is enough. Mhlawumbe ungabuye explain futhi, okay, this is what's happening la. This is even, and then taking away 1 from the even number, you are left with an odd number. So that's why lana stolama even, I'm odd numbers. But in maths, you have to formulate a proof for every argument to yenza. This is yabona, this 7, 17, 27, 37. This is an argument. You need to provide a proof for your argument. So this was the proof. So we had to prove. We had to prove. Now anyway, question 3 phelela lana guys. I hope we enjoyile. In the description box uzothola ama links for other recordings engwenzile for this question paper. Now we enjoyile, please leave a like. Now una question asikhulume in the comment section. For now, consider subscribing and sharing nomngani wakho. So for now guys, asibonane in the next video. Bye bye.